Hey everyone, it's Tech Chill. Today, let's fix those stubborn smartphone or tablet buttons. No tech experience needed. Before anything, back up your data. Use iCloud, Google Drive, or your computer. Accidents happen, so protect your photos and contacts. Gather your tools. A small electronic screwdriver kit with Pentalobe and Phillips bits, plastic prying tools, a suction cup, tweezers, isopropyl alcohol, cotton swabs, and a hairdryer or heat gun. Set up a clean, well-lit workspace. A magnetic mat keeps screws organized and prevents mix-ups. Power off your device completely. Don't just put it to sleep. This keeps you safe and protects your device from electrical damage. With your backup done, tools ready, and device off, you're set for the next step. Let's get started. Ready? Let's open it up. With your device powered down, let's open it up. Remove screws near the charging port, then gently heat the screen edges to soften adhesive. Use a suction cup to lift the screen slightly, then slide a plastic prying tool around the edge. Be careful. Don't yank the screen. Watch for ribbon cables connecting it to the main board. Open the device like a book and locate the battery connector. Remove the bracket and disconnect the battery using a plastic tool. Now find the button assembly. Usually a thin ribbon cable along the device's edge. Note how it's attached and routed. Sometimes there's adhesive or small brackets. Understanding this layout is key before you inspect or repair. Let's move on to fixing those buttons. Time to inspect the button's flex cable. Look for dirt, sticky residue, or corrosion on the metal domes and cable. If dirty, gently clean contacts with a cotton swab dipped in isopropyl alcohol. Use a soft brush for stubborn debris. Be gentle. Test the button by pressing the metal dome with tweezers. You should feel a click. If it's mushy or unresponsive, the flex cable may need replacing. To replace, disconnect the old cable, note its path, and attach the new one in the same spot. Press connectors firmly until they click. This repair is common and affordable. With the new cable in, let's reassemble. Time to reassemble. Reconnect the battery and secure the bracket. Double-check all cables, then loosely place the screen back. Power on the device and test the buttons. If they work, power down and finish closing the device. Press the screen into place and reinsert screws. Don't over-tighten, just snug is enough. Wipe down your device for a clean finish. Power up and test everything one last time. If buttons still don't work, it could be a software issue. Try a factory reset or seek professional help. Congrats! You just tackled a tricky repair yourself.